Hey, what's up? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to make your computer run faster. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Go to my computer, right click on C drive and go to properties. Then click on disk cleanup. Select the unnecessary folder and click OK. Then select delete. And it will automatically delete your unnecessary folder. Once you guys got that, go to search box and write down control panel. In the search box of control panel, write down advanced system setting. Then click on view advanced system setting. Go to settings and select adjust for best performance and click apply. Click OK. Now go down to search box again, type run, write down %, click OK, click to select and press Ctrl plus A, then delete it. Then go to search box again, type run, write down 3, click OK to refresh it. Write down msconfig, click OK. Go to startup, click on open task manager. These are the programs that run when you first boot up your computer. What you guys going to do, find any unnecessary or unwanted programs and just click and disable it. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.